Hey everyone, this will be a quick unboxing here of the Core Audio Flex desktop microphone professional recording. This was like $6, I want to say, something like that, 6-ish bucks from Walmart. This is like the only one I believe does not have USB. That is like the regular mic plugin, but we'll find that out in a second here. Perfect for podcast, record like a pro, and streaming. And this has kind of mixed reviews. It has like somewhere around 4 stars. I want to say on Walmart's website, 3.9 or 4 stars, something like that. Again, the thing is super cheap. So we'll see how this actually works out. Get undone here. Yeah, so it has this type was like aux, something like that, cable instead of a USB cable. So I bought it to go with the Monster capture card here, so that can go into there and hopefully be able to record myself. So this is of course extendable and movable, flexible, very flexible. There we go. That's what the mic looks like without a little foo-foo on top of it. I mean, again, this is only $6-7 bucks, so of course there's no mounting or anything on here. It's just gonna sit there, and you can move this thing all around however you want. Nice, good size cable though, I will say. I mean, it does. I don't think it feels like a $6 thing, but it still looks and it kind of feels like something you'd get from like the Dollar Tree, something like that. But we'll see how this works out. If you guys have one of these, let me know how you like it. Otherwise, yeah, that's what you guys get. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a good one. Goodbye.